So welcome to the part 2 of this tutorial. In part 1 we talked about how to install the application called Capcut on your device on Android and on Apple, that's from iOS. Let's launch the application. So when you launch the application by clicking on Capcut on your device, you would see this interface. To begin editing, you would click on this blue bar. You will click on this blue bar. When you click on it, all your videos and all your pictures, all your photos. Just beside it, you have Let's Explore. You have Library. Let's wait for it to load. We have all videos. All video format given to us by Capcut that is currently trending. You can check out the remaining ones for ourselves. We have green screen. We are going to get into that later, very much later in the tutorial. We have backgrounds that you can choose from. We have intro and outro. We have transitions you can pick from. We have scenery. We have atmosphere, and like you can just play with that. Try your hands on that before we get into that part of the tutorial. Let's go back to here. We have our video, but as a good video editor, it is good that you arrange the clips you want to use in a folder, right? So how do you locate the folder where you arranged your video? For the purpose of this tutorial, I have arranged them in a folder called tutorial. If you look just above the video, you see albums, library, and AI media. If you look beside album, you see a drop down menu. I'll click on the drop down and you'll see all the folders that we have on our device. So I will locate tutorial and click on it. Boom, now tutorial folder is open, and now I can see all the videos that I've downloaded for this tutorial. So let's begin to transfer our videos from the tutorial folder to our editing timeline. If you notice, you have a very long video, and all you need is just a few seconds from the video. You click on the video, you would see a pre-edit of the video. Just at your bottom left hand corner, you would see a scissors icon with crop written beside it. Let's click on it. You would see you can now pre-edit and cut out the part of the video that you want. So by reducing this slider, you automatically reduce the length of the video that's going to be accepted or transferred to the editing timeline. So let's click on OK. So now we have the first one arranged. So let's carefully select them by tapping on circle in your top right hand corner of the editing of the video tiles. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So I intend to use these 7 clips for this video. To add these videos that I just clicked on to the editing platform, I would click on add. Once I click on add, it takes us to our editing timeline. Thank you for watching to the end of importing videos to your editing timeline. The next tutorial is going to teach us how to import our audio, and also continue on how to have a very smooth editing experience on Capcut. Thank you.